Hola clase. Today we will be looking at AR verbs, some examples of AR verbs, and also how to conjugate them into the 6 grammatical persons in Spanish. Let's take a look at this introductory paragraph. Paulina Acevedo Miranda is speaking. Me llamo Paulina Acevedo Miranda. Estudio psicología en la UNAM. No camino a mis clases, tomo el autobús. Mis amigos caminan a clase porque viven cerca de la universidad. Escucho música de todos tipos. Tomo una clase de inglés conversacional. El profesor enseña muy bien y hablamos mucho inglés en esa clase. No trabajo y no miro mucha televisión. Mis clases terminan a las 5 de la tarde y necesito regresar a mi casa a las 6 porque mi mamá cocina la cena para toda la familia. ¿Y tú? ¿Qué estudias? ¿Tomas muchas clases? So you'll notice all these underlined forms are verbs, and they're all end in the O form because Paulina is speaking about herself. She uses a different form when she ends and she's asking you some questions. ¿Estudias? ¿Tomas? This is second person. We'll take a look at those forms. So in order to conjugate the AR verbs in Spanish, we have to use a set of endings. So the infinitive has an AR ending, which we remove. We remove this ending, and we replace that ending with these other endings, which you should commit to memory. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Try that with me. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. If you put these endings on the stem of the infinitive, you can conjugate thousands of verbs in Spanish. We will take a look at just a few of them today. Some verbs. Tomar, to take or to drink. Tomas clases. Paulina asked, ¿tomas muchas clases? Are you taking many classes? Hablar, necesitar. Whenever you have this additional information plus infinitive, it means that this verb can be accompanied by an infinitive. ¿Necesitas estudiar mucho? ¿Necesitas trabajar hoy? Some other verbs, caminar, cantar, escuchar, all of these are regular AR verbs, meaning they will all be conjugated according to this grid, this format. To replace the infinitive ending, ar, with these personal endings. Tomo, tomas, toma, tomamos, tomáis, toma. So you have two tasks in this unit. One is to memorize these verbs, which you can do on Quizlet with these flashcards. And the second one is to be able to conjugate each one with the subject endings. O, as, a, amos, ais, an. Let's take a look at a handout that we will be using in class. Don't forget to do your pre-work before class and leave your post-work for the weekend. So here's this práctica. Let me go ahead and open that. Here we have the verbs, caminar, cantar, which I hope you've committed to memory and you know what they mean, and some pictures. So we want to associate a picture with one of these verbs. Let's take a look at this one. This girl is looking through a looking glass, telescope. So to look is mirar, mirar. Okay, so I associate this picture with this verb, mirar. Now I want to put it in a sentence. La señorita, could give her name, Ana. Ana mira, and it looks like she's looking at the ocean. Ana mira el mar. Ana mira, you could Google how to say telescope in Spanish. Ana mira por el telescopio. At any rate, you want to associate the verb to the picture and then write a sentence with that verb. Give the person a name, or you could simply use the subject pronouns that we learned in the last lesson. Ella, Ella mira el mar. Ella mira el mar. Try your hand at this handout, and we will do this work in class as well. Muchas gracias, clase. Hasta la próxima.